Welcome to American Speedster. I'm introducing the Sidekick 2 today. This one here happens to be a 6-speed. We're going to offer 7. I've eliminated about 20 fittings on this one. Mostly, as you can see, the tops supports are a lot simpler. Makes it easier to scale that down, to put it in the back of your truck or in the back of your van. This one happens to be made with colored PVC, so you don't have to paint it. We're working on offering that kit. In the meantime, you can build this with your regular PVC from Home Depot, Lowe's, or whatever, and paint it. So let me show you a few things that are different on this one. The front end is obviously different. I've eliminated a couple of cross tubes there, made that lighter. It looks a little bit better with a couple of headlights setting on there, but it has lightened that area up. I've got 1/2-inch supports to support the top. The steering, I have improved the geometry on that a little bit. You can see it's a little bit simpler. The bracket right there on the steering column is new, which allows you to center your handlebars a lot easier, just to make that simpler. I've changed the way the outer brackets attach to the frame. You can see now I'm using a couple of caps rather than a coupler and a plug. That simplifies that. The electric motor goes on the same as it always has. I'm not quite finished this model yet. There should be some wood strips across here in the back to box that in for carrier purposes. Here you can see I've made this easier to pop this top off at this point, and so you can get it in your van. The brakes are the same. I moved the shifter lever. You can put it anywhere you want. I put it right there on the end of the, makes for a nice short cable down to the gearing. I've added a nice little feature here, a chain guard that supported there at the front. This way, you won't get your clothing up against it when you're getting in and out of the bike. Guess really that's about the difference. I think the kit's a little more money than the original, but all in all, by the time you save the number of fittings that you put on it and so on, it comes out maybe even less money to build. So anyway, if you're interested in this model, you can give us a call at 850-733-2009, or contact us from the American Speedster website, and we can discuss you building your own. That's all. Signing off for now.